How to restore bookmarks in Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop, then click on three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Then you find Bookmark and Lists. Click on Bookmarks and Lists, then click on Bookmark Manager. As you can see, I have two bookmarks. If you deleted that, you can simply undo it or search one and then search at data. Click on local and then click on Google. Click on Chrome, then user data. Scroll all the way down till you find profile and search bookmark. Rename the bookmark backup. As you can see, I am renaming it as bookmark bag. Also rename bookmark .bak. Then again rename bookmark bag to bookmarks only. Then go to Google Chrome and reload it. As you can see, bookmark is there again. And that's how you restore bookmarks in Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.